Heaven Fresh units use a combination of different purification technologies such as ultraviolet, electrostatic precipitation, and negative ions. Ultraviolet light is the same mechanism that nature uses to clean up its air. What it does is actually be able to split oxygen into oxygen singlets. These oxygen singlets will zip around, killing biologicals, knocking down particulate matter, and denaturing volatile organic compounds. Electrostatic precipitators and negative ions will all knock down the particulate matter that's in the air so you don't have to breathe it.